We are here for the Calabria Food Festival. Just made it up to the top of the castle now. Wind getting in the way.
A little bit windy, but it's very pretty.
Yeah, I think sunset is just heading over this way, but I don't want to blind you. It's stunning up here and there's loads of food, but we're looking for the wine. Where do we grab some wine? After a week in Italy, it all led up to the Calabria Food Fest, where local chefs came together to demonstrate the best of their cuisine. It all took place in the castle of Squillace, with breathtaking views. We watched cooking demonstrations, listened to talks by the hosts, and then the live music blasted through the night. They'll be running the Calabria Food Fest next year and I can strongly recommend visiting. Well, they'll also be running tours through the whole week, so you get the chance to try all the different activities such as the cheese and pasta making classes.